Guys, welcome to Neah Bay, Washington, the most northwest point of the United States, and home to the Makah Nation. Neah Bay is known for big halibut, big king salmon, and monster lingcod. Okay, what's up guys? Thanks for joining. My name's Ken. I'm from Seattle, Washington, and this is my story of my awesome fishing trip to Neah Bay. So, this is what you see when you pull into town. This really quiet oceanfront town with these amazing sunsets. The lodge I stayed at was right across the street, and you could back right up to it to unload your stuff. It was a really comfortable place to stay. It had that log cabin feel. Had a nice comfortable bed, good enough for 2 people, and it had a small bedroom in the back with a bunk bed, so you could sleep 4 people. And it had everything you need. Microwave, coffee maker, little fridge, nice little table. I was pleasantly surprised. Nice bathroom. And after a day of fishing, it felt good to lay on the bed, put your feet up, and watch some HBO. So here's the tackle shop. It doesn't look like much, but when you go inside, they got everything. Here's my seabass. The first day, I was not getting on a boat. I was just going to fish from shore and hang out. And I caught this seabass from shore. First fish I caught in a long time, and I was really excited. Guys, I gotta say, I've been doing these videos for about 3 years, and this little segment with this coastline and this background music right now, it's kind of giving me goosebumps right now. I feel like we just kind of created a little bit of magic with this segment right here. I am very pleasantly surprised. I'm kind of blown away right now. I am absolutely loving this. Please leave a comment if you agree. So on my first day, I go into the bait shop about 4 o'clock, and the guy at the counter says, hey, this guy's looking for someone to go fishing because he doesn't want to go out by himself. So I just went out with this guy and got me 2 king salmon. Then we get back to the dock, and then this guy came in about 20 minutes later with this massive lingcod, man. This thing was about 40 pounds. And the next day, I got my halibut. Yes, I was so happy. When I went up there, I really wanted to get a halibut, anything over 30 pounds, and I was going to be happy with that. And I got this one. It was about 50, so I was really happy. I was so excited. It's been too long since I went fishing for halibut. I don't go enough. Then you come back to the dock, and this guy is just kind of waiting on the dock, and $10, and he'll fillet all your fish for you. And he's really good and really fast. I mean, it's what he does for a living, so $10 well spent for sure. So I ended up with 1 nice 50-pound halibut, 2 king salmon, about 8 pounds, a couple small lingcod, and at least a dozen sea bass. So I was happy. I was really happy. And I can't wait to go back. And I am going back, and I'm going to bring my awesome new camera, and we're going to do the full video. Can't wait.